the one that made me actually get into music was my guitar teacher, because he just told me at one time, hey, you know, there's a pretty good guitar school here around. I think there's somebody called Wolfgang Mutschbiel, and you should try it there maybe. And I didn't have a clue, so I was kind of like, yeah, maybe I should do it. Making a CD was for me always a big dream, I think, to create the music I was hearing and to create them on tape basically, or for me visually like a picture, and to have a picture that you can revisit, so to make my songs come alive, and that's what I wanted to do.
Into the blue with you. Into the blue.
When I started writing, I was 15, and it took a long time, and when I really came to making the record, I was about 20 years old, and I had gathered the experience and the instrumentalism as a musician I needed to produce an album, to make my music come alive. And having met my producer, I got the chance to really make those songs into a painting, and that's what I did, that's what we did together. Heaven's Gate is about an experience I had when I found myself being covered in rain, and it was a summer storm, and there were these heavy thick water droplets, and I was soaking wet, and I embraced the feeling, and in that I saw something so highly beautiful and spiritual, and it felt like Heaven's Gates were opening, although it was just the clouds opening, but there was a very strong connection to nature there. Fragile is the same story as Keep basically, but it's coming from a reflective point of view when it's over, and the reflection upon it to see how a relationship develops, how you first open up, how you come very close together, and how you share a strong connection and empathy to somebody, and if it doesn't work, if it gets too close, how you move away again, and at some point leave the stage and say, it was good the way it was.
We're so fragile, so fragile.
All of the songs are built around the title song, because that incorporates for me a personal freedom that I'm trying to convey, that I'm looking for myself, and that I have been looking for when I made this album, when I wrote the songs for the album. And it's something about being very close to nature and having a personal well-being.
At all the places